To clean the machine, first drain the mix. For easier cleaning, allow the product to thaw before draining the machine. Press Menu until the display shows Washing Off. Press the up or down buttons until the display shows Washing On. This setting keeps the augers rotating but turns off refrigeration. Place a container under the spigot. Drain the product. Remove the cover. Fill the tank with 1 gallon of cool tap water. And place the cover on the tank. After 30 seconds, open the spigot to drain the water out of the machine. Press the menu button until the display shows Washing. Press the up or down buttons until the display shows Washing Off. Turn off and unplug the machine. Inspect the machine for worn or broken parts. All worn or broken parts should be replaced to ensure safety, to maintain good machine performance and a quality product. Remove the cover. Remove the handle cover. Push down to remove the upper handle. Turn auger support knob counterclockwise to loosen. Remove the auger support knob. Turn the spigot assembly counterclockwise. Remove the spigot assembly. Remove the O-rings from spigot assembly. Remove the O-rings from the auger support knob. Remove the spigot splash guard. Loosen and remove the bull clamp screws. Open the bull clamps. Remove the tank. Remove the gasket from the tank. Remove the horizontal auger. Remove the gear from horizontal auger. Loosen and remove the nut at the top of vertical auger. Remove the gear from the bottom of the vertical auger. Remove the drip tray. Do not use abrasive materials, scratching cleansers, or scouring pads. These can damage the finish. Place the parts shown here in warm 90 degree to 110 degree Fahrenheit, 32 degree to 43 degrees Celsius, mild detergent water and wash thoroughly. Rinse the parts with clean 90 degree to 110 degree Fahrenheit, 32 degree to 43 degrees Celsius water. Remove the parts and let them air dry completely. Sanitize the steel tank bottom. Dip a brush into the 90 degree to 110 degree Fahrenheit, 32 degree to 43 degrees Celsius sanitizing solution. Use the brush to wipe the tank.